As we venture further into the mid-2020s, the off-road vehicle landscape is undergoing a rapid transformation. Electrification, advanced technology, and a focus on sustainability are driving innovation, and the 2026 Can-Am Renegade is poised to be at the forefront of this exciting evolution. The Can-Am Renegade has long been synonymous with power, agility, and rugged capability. The 2026 model is expected to build on this legacy, but with a renewed focus on efficiency and eco-friendliness. While traditional gasoline-powered engines may still be available, an electrified powertrain is likely to take center stage. This shift towards electrification could lead to a number of exciting advancements. Instantaneous torque, improved acceleration, and a quieter, smoother ride are just a few of the potential benefits. Furthermore, electric motors require less maintenance than their internal combustion counterparts, which could translate to lower ownership costs in the long run. The 2026 Renegade is also expected to showcase a range of cutting-edge technologies. Advanced suspension systems, adaptive terrain response, and enhanced stability control could all contribute to a more capable and confident off-road experience. Connectivity is another area where the new Renegade is likely to excel. Integrated GPS navigation, real-time vehicle diagnostics, and seamless smartphone integration could become standard features. Riders may be able to track their rides, share their experiences with friends, and even receive over-the-air software updates to keep their machines performing at their best. While the iconic Renegade silhouette is likely to remain, the 2026 model could sport a bolder, more futuristic design. Aerodynamic enhancements, LED lighting, and a focus on lightweight materials could all contribute to a more visually striking and efficient machine. The 2026 Can-Am Renegade promises to be more than just an ATV. It represents a vision for the future of off-roading. It's a future where performance and sustainability coexist, where technology enhances the riding experience, and where the thrill of exploration is accessible to all.